DME offers our customers more than just parts. We also support designers every step of the way. Whether you are a designer of the plastic part itself or the mold in which it will be produced, DME can help you maximize your profit by minimizing cost and satisfying all your customer key requirements. Our highly skilled engineers and designers are at your disposal to refine and perfect any part design or a mold's functionality. Using analysis and design services combined with our leading products, we can help you achieve the maximum value of your mold and final part. DME has worked hand in hand with mold tool designers for the past 7 decades. DME's ever-expanding library of innovative new products are integrated within today's leading CAD design software. On your next project, take advantage of DME's online configurator in designing your optimal mold. The DME Application Engineering Department is one available resource that can help you produce better parts. Whether your requirement is a special mold base, a mold action device, a hot runner system, or something else, DME Application Engineering provides solutions that produce optimal results for your specific objective. Thermal control plays a large role in a mold's design and operation. DME resources such as mold flow analysis, true cool components, and temperature control systems allow designers to unleash their full creativity in part design by releasing the mold's full potential. The DME eStore offers thousands of parts and so much more. Links to catalogs, CAD data, and access to the configurator, just to name a few. Visit the eStore at store.millicron.com and see for yourself. We're open 24/7. Thank you for taking the time to watch this presentation. For more information how DME can assist you, go to dme.net/designers. And again, thank you for watching.